crisp and clear. I'm excited, definitely excited. This is my new setup. It's a nice little pothole coming up right here. I already called it in. Let's see if they fixed it. Nope. I mean, they tried. Here we go. Well, all that fun just brings you to the gas station sooner. Let's get that fresh goodness in here. Just want 3.5 gallons. That's enough. Well, I hope the audio is still holding up. With this new motovlogging setup, I'm excited to bring some new content to the channel. You know, as long as this audio setup is nice and clear, then I can definitely can't wait to discuss all sorts of different topics on the channel, whether it's about riding, which bikes, you know, which bike you should get, whatever experience I have, and looking forward to learn from you guys as well in the community. But also I would like to bring forward some videos about my business side of things. You know, I am a licensed car dealer, and I'm comfortable in that field. I feel like I have a lot, you know, to talk about in terms of building a successful car business for any of you that are interested out there. So I'll definitely start talking about some of that out there. You know, I sit at these lights and I don't even know if I'm triggering the sensor or not. Sometimes I'll be just waiting forever. Save me. Just waiting for a car to roll up to the line here. Here we go. is money. I cannot tell you guys, if you're riding out there and you have not experienced this, get it and get it now. Don't wait. On my old bike, I had the Gixxer 1000, 2006, and it did not have a quick shifter, and I did not know what I'm missing out on. This right here is game changer.